Okay, guys, we got 2021-22 Optic Hybrid H2 Basketball 4 Hobby Box Break. Oh, yeah, gotcha. Number 1A. Let's roll through the team owners. We got Atlanta going to Trav M.A. Celtics, Brad H. Nets, Trav M.A. Hornets going to Joey D. Bulls, Brad H. Cavs, Gregorios. Mavericks going to Johnny. Nuggets going to JB. Pistons, Gregor. GS Dub, Grouch. Rockets going to is it Chad? Do I have Chad? I'll have to reread my writing. We got Pacers, Tim P. Clippers, I'll look it up. Tristan, Lake Show, Robbie A. It is Chad. We got Grizz, Trav M.A., Miami, Trav M.A., Bucks, Dylan the Mad Scientist, T-Wolves, Trav M.A., Pelicans, Joey Buttafuoco, Knicks, Grouch, Thunder, Trav M.A., Magic, Tim P., Sixers, Escobar, Pablo's grandson, Suns, Trav M.A., PTB going to Haas, Sacktown, Otis the POTUS. We got Tim P with the Spurs, Raptors, Tarzan, Utah Beef, and the Washington Wiz going to Paulie. Hey, yo, Paulie, get over here. All right, guys, good luck. Here we go. On the Gila. Wiggins, wigging out. Rookie card for the Thunder. And Scotty Barnes for Tarzan. Nice one there, Tarz. And we got a red Pulsar Josh Primo. Red Pulsar rookie. That is going out to the Spurs. On a red Pulsar. Nice. Red Pulsar right there. Don't see any numbering on it, by the way. And a blue Pulsar. Kyle Kuzma for Washington. Jalen Johnson for ATL. What up, Mad Joe? Dude, that Peyton Manning was dope. Oh, did you get that Manning last night? You did, huh? Yeah, that thing was sick, bro. Santi Aldama for the Grizzlies. I don't remember because of the trauma I went through trying to do the break. It's a psychological. And we got Jacob Poeltl for the Spurs, silver. Red Pulsar, Terry Rozier. Otherwise known as Tear Bear. For Charlotte. An all-star duel. We got Kevin Durant for the Thunder and Derrick Rose for the Bulls. Red Pulsar duel. We will random that, of course. Hey, yo, Desumu. Rookie for the Bulls. Quentin Grimes, rated rookie for the New York Knicks. We got a silver refractor, Norman Powell. Storm and Norman, silver for PTB and the Haas. Red Pulsar for the Lakers, Talon Horton Tucker for the Lake Show. And we got a rated rookie blue Pulsar, Neemias Quetta, one of Ellie's boys, for Sacktown. Cade in the Shade, Cunningham. Nice Cade going out to the Pistons. Neemias Quetta, Sacktown. That's where they put their Mac down. California love. And we got 75 years of the NBA, Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. And we got Rui Hachimura, red Pulsar. That is for Washington. And a stargazing Anthony Davis for the Lakers. Red Pulsar AD. Pretty cool. There we go, Lake Show. All right. Box one down. James Bouknight for the Hornets. Greg Brown III, PTB, Haas. And we got an auto. It is Optographs, number to 20. Trey Mann for the Thunder. That is numbered 11 of 20. Nice card for the Thunder. That is going to be going to Trav MA. Nice hit, Trav. And we got a red Pulsar. Herbert Jones, rated rookie for the Pelicans. Need Trey, good old Trey Murph. Running threes, Donovan Mitchell for the Jazz and the Beef. Jonathan Kuminga, the Bambinga, for the Golden State Warriors. Franzen Wagner for the Magic. Franz Wagner for Orlando. Bobando. And Julius Randle, silver refractor for the New York Knicks. Red Pulsar, Miles Turner for the Pacers. And an Elite Dominators red Pulsar, Ja Morant for the Grizzlies. Nice job, Morant, for the Grizz right there. Elite Dominator. Joe Wieskamp for the Spurs. Rated rookie. Josh Christopher for the Houston Rockets. Rated rookie. And a nice silver refractor. Quentin Grimes for the Knicks. Nice card for New York. Red Pulsar Harrison Barnes for Sacktown. And we got a blue Pulsar. That is for the Clippers. Terrence Mann, Trey's older brother. Gold Pulsar transfer now. Jeremiah Robinson Earl for the Thunder. Rated rookie. Day'Ron Sharp for Brooklyn. "75 years of the NBA, future pimp daddy Trey Murphy III for the Pelicans. And Christian Wood for the Rockets, H-Town. Red Pulsar. Ooh, nice. Jalen Suggs, Red Pulsar, rookies. That is pretty dope for the Magic. Nice card. I have this weird thing about grabbing boxes in a certain order. I don't know. Miles McBride for the New York Knicks. Rated rookie. Alperen Sengun for the Rockets. Rated rookie. "75 years of the NBA. Lonzo Mourning. And for the Lake Show, we got Russell Westbrook. Red Pulsar. And Elite Dominators, Trae Young for ATL. Elite Dominators. Nice Trae Young for Atlanta. Luka Garza for the Pistons. And Jalen Green, rookie. Nice Jalen Green for the Rockets. And for the Pistons, Red Pulsar rookie Isaiah Livers. His middle name is Kidneys. And we got a blue Pulsar, Isaac Okoro for the Cleveland Cavs. Kessler Edwards for Brooklyn. Yeah, it really was a nice Suggs. Zaire Williams for the Grizz, rookie. We got a silver Derek White for the Spurs. A red Pulsar Derek Favors for the Thunder. We won't go into the ancestry. And we got Stargazing. Milwaukee Bucks, Giannis. David Johnson for the Raptors, rated rookie. Usman Garuba for the Rockets, rated rookie again. And for the Grizzlies, silver refractor, the Dalai Lama's nephew, Santi Aldama for the Grizz. Red Pulsar for the Grizzlies, Ja Morant. Nice Pulsar of Ja. Oh, sick! This is sick! Thank God I didn't pick the team. I got the Grouch. Sorry, Grouch. Cade in the shade. Blue Pulsar Cunningham. That is for Detroit. Cade in the shade. Cunningham blue. Stuff's not too bad. We had a good break with the regular Optic last night as well. It wasn't too bad at all. Good luck, everyone. Final box. Kai Jones, Hornets. Isaiah Kidney Livers for the Pistons. And a red Pulsar rated rookie, Isaiah Jackson. That is for the Pacers, Isaiah Jackson. We got a blue, Miles Bridges. I wonder what the story is with Miles Bridges. If he's coming back or probably still in limbo, obviously. I don't think he's back yet. Tim P. And we got lighted up Donovan Mitchell for the Jazz. Is that gold? Donovan Mitchell lighted up. For the Jazz, a.k.a. Beef. The Beast, JT Thor, the Beast. Isaiah Jackson, rated rookie for the Pace. Killian Hayes, silver. Pistons. Red Pulsar, Mitchell Robinson for the Knicks. Future Pimp Daddy Josh Primo. I don't know if he's future Pimp Daddy. For the Spurs. Herbert Jones, rated rookie for the Pels. Trey Murphy definitely is. LeBron James. LeBronski. Oh, wow. Nice card. Nice card coming up for the Bulls. That's for sure. We got a nice silver refractor for the Bulls. Ayo. Dasumu. Silver refractor for the Bulls. Very nice. Yeah, this isn't too shabby. And we got Dennis Schroeder. Celtics red Pulsar. And a blue stargazing Trae Young for Atlanta. Good luck, everyone. Josh Giddey for the Thunder. Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, yup. Scotty Lewis, he's definitely not on the Hornets. I wonder where he's at now. Probably a G League team. And we got James Harden, 75 years of the NBA for the Nets. And our first gold, we got Killian Hayes for the Pistons. On our gold, that is 7 of 10. Pulsar gold to 10 for the Pistons. And we got Peja for the Sacktown Sacramento Kings, reigning threes. And that is the end of the break. I have that one. See who owns. That's Kevin Durant Thunder, Derrick Rose Bulls. Thunder is owned by Trav M.A. Bulls, Brad H. Stuff's not too bad. Not too bad at all. You just got to do enough boxes to place some numbers on it. That's it. I think 4 as a minimum is good. I'd say knocking 6 out would be probably good. All right, guys, here we go. This is always left to right, top to bottom, depending on how the card is. So we go 1, 2, 3 left, 4, 5, 6 right. So 1, 2, 3 KD, 4, 5, 6 Derrick Rose for the Bulls. I don't know. It has their old teams on there. Oh, where's the dice? Here it is. That is number 5. Come on, man. So that goes to the right side. That is Derrick Rose for the Bulls. And the Bulls is Brad H. All right, guys. Thank you, everybody. Let me get these put away. Appreciate it, guys.